Okay, this is a Toshiba Tecra 9100 laptop. I'm going to go ahead and remove the screen. In order to remove the screen, I need to take out 4 screws, actually 6 screws. One right here, 2 in the side right here, 2 in the side. Okay. Actually, to remove the screen, you don't actually have to take out the whole panel. You could just actually take out this plastic strip right here. You don't have to actually take that whole lid out. You take a flathead screwdriver and get these stickers out. Make sure you save these stickers. You don't want to lose these stickers right here. You save these stickers right here. Okay, take these stickers right here. Alright, you want to go ahead and first unscrew these 2 screws right here. Okay. Okay, on the side of here, you got these stickers right here, rectangular stickers. You want to get those stickers out, because underneath these stickers there are actually screws that you need to unscrew to remove that panel. Oh, I'll just pop one out. That's one. And I'll pop this one out here too. That's 2. Oh. Alright. Remove the stickers. That's 3. You want to just take these stickers out. You don't want to lose these stickers. You're gonna need these stickers later. Okay. Take a screwdriver and just slowly work on the edges where you could actually pop the front bezel out. I don't know what these are called exactly. The front bezel or the LCD bezel. You just want to be very gentle, not to tear it apart. See how it comes out easily? Again, you want to be very gentle with these. Okay. See how it comes out? How it comes out easily? Okay. You wanna take the flathead screwdriver and try to get these hinges out here. See how they come out easily? Okay, I'm just going to put this aside right here. Okay, then what you want to do next is actually unscrew these 2 side buttons right here. Okay, then I'm going to go ahead and unscrew the side here. That's one. 2. That's 3. That's 4. Okay. Now you can actually pull the panel out right here. This thing just pop out right here. Okay. Okay. To take out the panel, you just gotta do just disconnect the cable right here. You take the sticker out and slowly pull the connector out right here. So you can actually take this whole panel out. Okay. You also need to disconnect the inverter right here. Okay, you can actually take this out easy. You just gotta take a screw and unscrew this, and the inverter will go out as well. Okay, to put the panel back, just do everything in reverse order, and that's how you replace the panel.